Good morning, Atlantic Canada. This is my second video of the day. I'm Eccentrics. Today we will be talking about how to apply self-tanner and the #1 self-tanners that are on the market. We are going to be today discussing Clarins, which is from France, which is one of the best self-tanners on the market. So I'm going to remove my glasses. My name is Eccentrics and from Beauty Essentials. First off, ladies, we are going to take the Clarins Extra Firming Day Cream, which boosts the elastin and collagen to your skin, firms and lifts. You can actually use it on the entire face and also on the décolleté as well. We are then going to take one of their most popular products, which is a made-to-measure glow Radiance booster. Then we are going to put a couple of drops, 1, 2, 3, into the made-to-measure. As you can see, my skin is a little darker today than it was yesterday. We're going to apply all over the facial area, making sure we go under the eyes, down the bridge of the nose as well. And in a couple of hours, you will have a radiant glow. This you can actually use on a daily basis, and nobody will ever know your secret. Secondly, we are going to talk about the Clarins Instant Smooth Self-Tanning product. This is a fabulous product to use. What I actually use to apply it, it actually gives a little more color than the Radiance Booster. I'm going to be really bronzed today. I'm going to apply it using a foundation brush, and I'm going to apply on the forehead like so. Now with Clarins products, they do not come out orange. Everybody thinks, oh my gosh, I'm going to use a self-tanner and I'm not going to look brown or self-tanned or golden. This is not the case with Clarins products. So I'm applying the Instant Smoothing Clarins product around the bridge of my nose, under the eye area as well. I've already got my moisturizer on. I've already got my glow enhancer on as well. So circular motions down and around. You can also use it on the décolletage, as you see as I'm doing. And for most women, depending on what you're wearing, just having it coming down just to the décolletage or the décolleté is enough for the self-tanner. So perfect, awesome product, feels like silk on the skin. Well worth of your investment and time and money. Super simple, under like 1 minute to apply. Thirdly, we'll be talking about the Clarins Liquid Bronze Self-Tanning Face product. Got my words a little jumbled up there. We're going to shake it. It actually recommends applying it on the face and décolleté as well, using a cotton swab. This gives a beautiful glow. I'm actually going to just put some into the palm of my hand. And make sure, ladies, you're always washing the back of your hands when you're applying this product, or so that it doesn't actually stain. I'm going to apply it on the forehead, right here, on my cheek area as well, down the bridge of the nose. I'm going to do another little couple of pumps, use it on the décolleté as well. And what is amazing about this is that it's such a gradual tan. You will look amazing afterwards. Right around here as well. And we're going in circular motions. Now I'm using the foundation brush. You don't need to use the foundation brush, you can use your fingertips, or you can use a makeup sponge, but I highly do not recommend that because all your beautiful product that you're paying great money for is going down the drain. So, and then I would use another product from there as their body product for the rest of here, my arms, my legs as well. They have just gorgeous products. And Clarins is from France, if anybody didn't know that. They're a skincare and makeup company. And French skincare companies tend to have one of the best products on the market. Not to knock any other skincare companies. However, you will get a beautiful brown and golden tan with this product. That's all we have to talk to you about today. I'm Eccentrics. Please subscribe to my channel. You've been listening to Clarins on how to apply self-tanner. Thanks for watching, and to everybody in Canada and the United States, thank you for choosing Eccentrics Beauty Essentials.